Hey y'all, it's Crystal with mrshappyhomemaker.com, and I am making cast iron steaks for dinner tonight. So I figured I would hop on here, chicken pajamas and all, and show y'all how I make a perfect medium rare steak in my cast iron skillet each and every time. So I am preheating my cast iron skillet right now on high heat. I want this thing smoking hot. Alright, so first, the steaks. I prefer a really good York strip for this, but you can use whatever your favorite cut of steak is. You will want to make sure that it's about 1 inch thick. And first you'll season it really liberally with salt and pepper, and then let it sit on your countertop for a little while until it comes to room temperature. Bringing your steak to room temperature before you cook it is very, very important, y'all. Alright, so my pan is pretty smoking hot. I'm going to go ahead and take my steaks and put them in here. You hear that sizzle? I'm going to season the other side with salt and pepper. Now I'm going to let this cook on high heat for exactly 7 minutes on each side, and that will give me a perfect medium rare. If you like yours a little bit more done, then add 1 minute per side for each level of doneness. These steaks will have a nice crusty top to it from the cast iron skillet, but oh, they're going to be so perfect and tender and medium rare in the middle. Now would be a good time to open up your windows because your house is going to get a little smoky. Alright, so these steaks have cooked for 7 minutes on each side. I'm going to take them off and I'm going to let them rest for 10 to 15 minutes. That way the juices will redistribute in the meat and it will make a better, juicier steak. Now you could take a little bit of butter and add it to the pan and throw in some onions or some mushrooms or both and make some really delicious steak-infused caramelized onions or mushrooms. You could also use it to make a really great sauce. And check out my blog, mrshappyhomemaker.com, for more great recipes. And make sure you're following me on social media. I'm Mrs. Happy Homemaker on Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest, and That Housewife on Twitter because Mrs. Happy Homemaker was too long.